Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about what life would be like if you were a billionaire? The lavish mansions, extravagant yachts, and private jets whisking you away to exotic destinations. Such a life can seem incredibly alluring. But have you ever stopped to consider that there are some things that even billionaires can't buy? Today, in this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the surprising things that billionaires can't buy. So, if you're curious to explore the hidden limitations of immense wealth, stick around. But before starting this fascinating topic, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so never misses out on the latest videos and insights. You might think that with a fortune in the billions, the world is your oyster, and you can have anything you desire. Well, let's start with the first thing billionaires can't buy: time. No matter how wealthy you are, you can't purchase more hours in a day. Time marches on for everyone, and once it's gone, it's gone. While billionaires can afford to jet set around the world on a whim or enjoy extravagant experiences, they still can't purchase more time to savor those moments. They can't turn back the clock to relive precious memories or add extra hours to their day to pursue their passions. Time is a finite and irreplaceable resource, and it's a reminder that no matter how much wealth one accumulates, there are certain aspects of life that remain beyond the reach of monetary power. Next up, we have true love and genuine friendships. Money can attract people, but it can't guarantee that those people genuinely care about you. True love is a complex and profound emotion that transcends material wealth. While billionaires can certainly enjoy lavish romantic gestures and exotic vacations, the authenticity of love cannot be purchased. Love is about the connection between two people, built on trust, respect, and shared values. It's about finding someone who truly understands you, supports you, and stands by your side through the highs and lows of life. No matter how much money you have, it cannot manufacture this deep emotional bond. Health is another thing that money can't always buy. While billionaires have access to top-notch healthcare and the best doctors, they can't always prevent diseases or ensure perfect health. Illnesses and genetic conditions can affect anyone, regardless of their financial status. So, good health remains a precious but unbuyable asset. Mental health is another critical dimension of well-being that goes beyond financial means. Money can provide access to therapists and counselors, but it can't eliminate the stigma or the internal struggles that individuals may face. Mental health issues affect people from all walks of life, and seeking help and support is essential regardless of one's financial status. Now, let's talk about experiences and personal growth. While billionaires can travel the world and indulge in extravagant adventures, there are some things that money can't provide: a sense of accomplishment, personal fulfillment, or the satisfaction of achieving something through hard work and perseverance. These are experiences that must be earned, not bought. The richness of experiences isn't solely determined by their cost. Some of the most profound and transformative experiences in life can be simple and affordable. Whether it's hiking to the summit of a mountain, volunteering to help those in need, or learning a new skill, these experiences contribute to personal growth in ways that money can't replicate. They create memories, foster self-discovery, and add depth to one's character. So, as you pursue your dreams and aspirations, remember that it's not just about the destination, but also the journey. It's about the personal growth and experiences along the way that make life truly fulfilling. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, billionaires can't buy happiness. Studies have shown that true happiness is found in the simple joys of life: the warmth of meaningful relationships, the satisfaction of pursuing one's passions, and the sense of purpose that comes from contributing to the well-being of others and the world at large. It's the laughter shared with loved ones, the feeling of accomplishment after overcoming challenges, and the inner peace that stems from accepting oneself and finding gratitude in the present moment. Happiness is not a destination but a journey, and it's in the intangible aspects of life where its true essence resides. So, while billionaires may possess vast fortunes, their wealth alone cannot purchase the profound and enduring happiness that arises from a life well lived. Money might provide temporary pleasures, but it can't sustain long-term happiness if those deeper needs are not met. So, there you have it. These are some surprising things that billionaires can't buy. While billionaires may have immense resources at their disposal, there are some aspects of life that even their wealth cannot control or purchase. Time, true love and friendships, health, genuine experiences, personal growth, and happiness are all elements of a fulfilling life. that remain beyond the reach of monetary power. This serves as a reminder that, regardless of our financial status, we all share the same limited time on this planet, the same desire for genuine connections, and the same pursuit of happiness. So, as you navigate your own journey through life, remember to cherish the things that truly matter and go beyond the material. With that said, thanks for joining us on this exploration of the surprising things that billionaires can't buy. Until next time, may you find joy and fulfillment in the things that truly matter.